inspired on Pinterest and I wanted all these outfits, and I was like, I am not gonna pay what it would cost.
I'm feeling like myself again. You said that we're crazy. I can hear your Spanish over there.
Do you think they could have given me a little bit of notice? I should have put bronzer on. I should have bronzed. I forgot to. I can't. So I flew into California last night, came in at 11 p.m. and that is when my family told me, guess what, we're all wearing yellow for Thanksgiving because Nana, my grandma, requested it. Do you think they could have given me a little bit of notice? No, they couldn't, because it would make too much sense. I don't know, lately I've been watching a lot of old Hollywood films on flights, to be honest. I'm very inspired, so I wanted that kind of old Hollywood hair. This is my Banana Republic dress. Yes, it has pockets. It is silk, and I thrifted it. And this is probably the only time I'm ever gonna wear it, so I think I'm gonna sell it. And also, doesn't this look like Arbany's Miss Universe headshot, like this piece of fabric, but hers was like a magenta thing? These shoes really excite me. Look at this. These are thrifted Kate Spade gold cap toe pointed heels with the little wrap on the ankle, which gives me very vintage vibes. I borrowed this, and this I believe was thrifted as well. I like the chain though. Is anybody else gonna dress up like this in my family? No, they're not, but I don't care.
Let's go in and see everybody.
Okay,
I can't wait to see everybody. Let's go bother my family. Hi.
Hello, how you doing?
Hi, I'm good. Hey, what are the flowers for? They're nice.
For Nana.
Happy Thanksgiving! I love you.
Yeah, I'm always.
Oh, thank you. I think so too, Nana. Look at yellow. All for Nana. Yay! Look at you two lovebirds.
Hi, happy Thanksgiving again. Grade A. Aged.
What year is that?
Well,
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you bring the bottle over though? You're really gonna show me the label.
sorry.
Yeah, okay. That looks pretty good.
Can I offer you some?
You said that we're crazy. I can hear your Spanish over there.
Only the finest bottle for my lady. Welch's Sparkling. 0% alcohol just for you.
Yeah, I'm just watching it waiting.
We're supposed to have that with communion.
See if you like the year.
Wife is good.
You don't like? No, she doesn't look pleased.
Hold on.
Let it waft it.
Wine?
Absolutely.
No. It's grape juice.
No, that's grape juice.
I don't have a glass though.
This looks clean.
Give me somebody's
That looks clean.
That looks good.
Happy Thanksgiving! Cheers! Nana, put it up! Huzzah! Do you need one of these?
She made me put my pie on her old plate.
Because
She wouldn't give me one of these, but she gets one of those.
Someone stole my plate. I don't know.
The next day, we decided to throw a little fiesta for Nana and Tata. Now, they got the diabetes, so we cannot give them things with sugar. We brought this really festive piñata, and we put sugar-free wafers and Jell-O inside, some of their favorite things. We also stopped by El Super, and we did not stick to that no sugar rule. We got these really cute cups to serve them in. We got some chips, guac that turned out to be way too hot for our grandparents, pan dulce, which is sweet bread, aguas frescas in the flavors tamarind and horchata. And of course, it's not a fiesta without a mariachi hat, so we had to bring our own. We also brought all the vibes. We provided mini maracas to them. They were loving the piñata. We did a little dance number. They were absolutely thrilled. Just look at their faces. I have not seen them happy like this in so long. We also got some candles and we spilled out Olé and put it on the pan dulce, and then we made them blow it out. Of course, we all had a toast. We were supposed to watch Coco, but Cheyenne forgot the cord to her laptop, so that will be for another time. You should definitely throw themed parties for the senior citizens in your life.
Oh,
Oh, Nana? She's right here.
she's seen better days.
Mom, what do you got chips all over you for? Mom. Hey, let me check your sugar. It's probably high now.
I like it. Why do you got chips all over you?
We also like to celebrate the holidays by doing the Charlie Brown Christmas tree dance, where everybody gets one dance move and you have to repeat it the entire time, just like in the original.
Oh, there's Snoopy on the back. That was
Wow.
it. That was it. That was a workout.
Girl, let's get out of me.
Great party, guys.
I really enjoy myself during the holidays, so it's important to start incorporating some workouts before the new year. I like to go pretty easy after my big meals, so the next day I did a quick, low-impact P-Valve workout. I mixed up a chocolate protein smoothie in my rechargeable Veho blender, and then I was ready to get the day started.
Here we go again. I am back at the thrift store. I cannot resist. I have a donation, and when you donate, you get 20% off of your next purchase. A little life hack there. So today I'm just looking for a sweatshirt. I want to recreate some Princess Diana looks. Big fan. And then I'm also looking for the book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People because I lost my copy. I left it somewhere. It's a bestseller and you can usually find it at the thrift store. Friends, I'm going to show you the pieces that I thrifted. Okay, first of all, these. This is a wool blazer. This top, only $3. Granted, it's from Target, that's fine, but this is such a great basic. This skirt, oh my gosh, how classic am I? Banana Republic. Okay, these are my slippers. This is something I didn't know I was looking for. Didn't even know it was a thing. This is vintage. Vintage suede cape. I look like Daniel Boone or like Davy Crockett. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at what I just found in the pocket. Detroit Pistons versus the Lakers. 1974. I don't even know if this is a man's or a woman's cape, but this is fantastic. Look at me. I bet you somebody passed away and they donated this. Their family probably cleaned things out. Well, I love it. I'm gonna cherish it. I'm gonna wear it with a chunky knit sweater. I have been looking for a pea coat and I found it. 100% wool. This thing is so heavy. I'm not kidding. It weighs like 5 pounds. Obviously it's a little big. It's a men's coat. I'm gonna take in the arms and then I'm gonna bring the shoulders in. Super easy. Pop this open, chop off some of the shoulder pad, and I'm just gonna narrow it. So then it's gonna have a super feminine fit. I might replace the buttons. These look original. They have little anchors on them. There's little anchors. I can't say no to quality coats and wool because wool coats are expensive. Even resale, they're like $100. Like I feel like a 90s mom in a movie at Christmas time. I'm giving holiday, okay? Now obviously this has more of like that cocoon shape, the larger shape. I don't think I'm gonna thin it out. I'm just gonna let it be as it is. Velvet, like fancy. This I just couldn't say no to. It's a basic, it's 100% silk. $8. I put it on and like the way that this lays, you're just luxury. I just loved it. Like I'm gonna wear this with pleated skirts. This, okay, definitely not looking for it. Definitely not like a super basic piece, but I really loved it. It's Zara. It's overpriced for a thrift store. I spent $13 on this. That is not how, that's, wait a second. I have a white shirt. This might be better. I don't know. You know what? I wasn't even thinking of doing this with it, but I feel like this might be a way to style this. Anyways, all right, this is not how we're gonna wear this, but I just wanted to show you. Oh my gosh. This ombre effect skirt, like I can wear this with a sweater in the fall, with boots in the fall. It needs to be steamed. I'm aware of that, but it's beautiful and expensive on Revolve. We don't have that kind of money. How could I forget my schoolgirl skirt? This is literally a child's uniform, $4, because it's from the children's section. So don't forget about the children's section. Don't forget about the children's section or the men's section at thrift stores. You never know what you'll find that might fit you. So this is not from any big brand, but it's a really great fit, I thought, but I really just love the sleeves. Look at this. There's many ruffles on the sleeves. They're kind of wide open. I just remembered I got one more thing. Hold on. I think this is the last. All right. I am not like big on Brandy Melville. It's just not one of my go-to brands or brand that I pick up at the thrift store. But I just love that this is cropped and it has a little double zip. And the fabric is so thick, like it's truly sweater-like. It's a very thick rib. I fell for it. I loved it. It has a hood. I just got really inspired on Pinterest and I wanted all these outfits and I was like, I am not gonna pay what it would cost to get those outfits. $4. Don't skip the book section. I replaced this book, hello, one of my faves, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Couldn't find it. Then I got this one. I really like this author. He also wrote, I believe, he wrote Smart Women Finish Rich. This was giving me Zig Ziglar vibes, but I was like, you know what? Any book on confidence. I'm gonna read it, honestly, not even really as much for me, but I want to read it for my clients because sometimes there's useful things I learn and it looks like a really easy read. Follow me on Instagram. I'll let you know how it goes. Good morning. I haven't even washed my face, I'm going to be honest. It's an exciting day. It's getting my hair done day. That's what it is. So I'm going to work out. I'm going to shower. I'm going to put on some makeup. So when I get my hair done, I will have the full effect. We are going lighter again. Done with my dark hair. It makes me look so much more pale. My voice still sounds terrible. People keep commenting on it. They're like, wow, I love the tone of your voice now. And I'm like, I didn't change it. I didn't do anything to change it. I have allergies.
On this day, I decided to do a Jane Kate Fitness booty band workout, and oh my gosh, this felt so intense. I've done this workout before, but I haven't done it in a while, so I was so sore for many days after. I'm so embarrassed by my hair. I was supposed to get it done before my last Europe trip, but Sophie was booked, so I had to wait until I got back, and it looked so terrible. I feel like it looks worse because it's oily here, but here is the transformation, looking so much better and washed. I'm so happy with this.
My new life, my new personality. I'm feeling like myself again. It's right. All is right again.
Our new luggage came in. MVST. Why does it feel heavy? Oh boy. That's not a good sign. We need light luggage. We also need durable luggage. Got this for a Black Friday deal. I spent a little less than $400, which just makes me cry. This is the third suitcase I've purchased in the matter of 1 month. Let's unveil, let's unwrap. I will say though, this is the aluminum one and I wanted a Rimowa, but then I found out that they no longer do their unlimited lifetime warranties. And so I checked out Away Luggage. I found out that basically they're making the comparable version of the Rimowa, but it weighs a little bit less. This one weighs even less than that. And this one is even less than the Away. The Rimowa is like around $1,500 for the carry-on. There's different sizes. The Away is around $600-700, and then this one I got it for under $400 because I did the whole Black Friday thing, but just give you an idea of pricing. This is cool. It has a tag, travel in style. That's all it says. That was a waste. Hopefully this is gonna last. I will say though, the set that I bought at Miss USA, wow, I was impressed. I bought a 3-piece set from Miss USA, and that was a Samsonite set, and that thing lasted me for almost 5 years. Oh, okay. I feel like Mrs. Bond. Oh dang it, this one has a 5-year limited warranty? Nobody does like the unlimited anymore. If you know, comment. Well, darn.
Here is the inside. Look at how fun this is. Look at that little clip thing there. Little pocket. I like the luggage clip thing. And then this is, oh, what? Oh, that's cool. This divider detaches if I don't need it. Oh, stop. Is this? Guys, this is the little luggage cover. Honestly, that's probably what preserved my Samsonite pieces. I actually had this. I got it on Amazon, and I used to cover all of them, and then I gave up, and then I was like, whatever. This, look at that extra little pocket storage in here. Oh, there are little metal parts there. This is cool. Yes. 4-way wheels. I hope you have a long life, little luggage. I really do. Okay, this is the before. I saw cropped button downs at Zara and I wanted one and I didn't want to spend $45. This was gonna be donated and instead we're just gonna chop it. Done. That was so incredibly easy. Just literally chopped it. I didn't even measure, I just kind of did it by eye, and then I did a very small hem. I rolled it once, sewed it one more time, and then I just ironed it. Oh my gosh, just wait to see how I style this. $45? No way. Oh gosh, this is so cute.